Alright traders, good day. So today is 14th of April 2020. We are now live day trading for E-Mini S&P. So we are trading micro icon for today. So the margin already recover, now a bit cheaper. So based from the signal I have provided in my live telegram channel, okay, we already in the market. So based from this signal, we have a sell order to go short at 2824.75, and targeted TP is 2817 with the stop loss at 2836. So based from this current situation, we already in the market, and let's hope everything will go further down. Let's take a look on current position. I only traded one low position size, so this is micro account. So if you are traded with a normal standard account, you have to multiply by 10 for the profit or losses. So let's wait. It's going to be a quite interesting reversal perhaps. So price might go around this area, and maybe later I will add one more position once the price make a pullback and then come further down. So while waiting, I will pause this video and we'll resume later on. Please watch this video till the end so you can see whether this will be a good trade or not. And there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it, and you will be directed for a free trial for this live signal during US Session. It looks good so far. About our entry price should be a good one. So now we are on the positive side perhaps. So we are focusing only for E-Mini S&P, and so we are not going to do for the Russell 2000. Recently, the Russell 2000 are quite a bit choppy, not really smooth. The price movement compared to the E-Mini S&P. Okay, now we are $5 or maybe $50 under normal standard account. Okay, looks good. By the way, I will pause for a while and resume later on. Alright, so far looks good. We are about 112 US dollar in profit, or 100 US dollar in profit for the normal standard mini account. So target price is 2817, or maybe around 2817. So let's queue for our profit target. Should be around 2817. Alright, so that's the target, about that area. So let's hope everything will be fine. I think I'm supposed to enter with 2 lot today, but yeah, let it be, and maybe there will be a second entry later on. So it's still early. Time now is around 10:34 a.m. in the morning, New York time, and market might provide us another entry on the bearish movement, could be, or maybe another bullish. This could be the pullback. Let's wait for the next 20 minutes. Hopefully we can close this position. Still around positive area at this moment, and while waiting, things looks good. Things looks good for now. This is where I enter my position. There's a purple triangle over here, and this horizontal dotted red line, which is my position where I short the market. So the green line here is the TP targeted area, so should be around 7 points. So 7 points in normal standard account, 350 US dollar in profit. For micro account should be around 35 US dollar. So for me it's good enough as a day trader. For a day salary, I don't expect much. I just need to increase my position size later on once my money management allow me to enter more trade. Looks good actually. 137 at this moment, 150 US dollar. Could be a pullback now. While waiting, this going to, let's take a look on the chart. Okay, this looks like a reversal candle appeared, and could be a momentum later on, but as for now I'm still waiting, and I already set an alarm for me to trigger if the market try to reverse back on the higher side. then the market there will be alarm for me, it will be triggered. Alright, so I'm hoping okay, that looks good. There is a new low created here at 28.20, so 3 more points to the downside, but this is the first candle of time frame 15 minutes. There's no indication that the market will reverse further down. As for this time frame and for the lower time frame, looks good. So let's go back to the platform. Alright, so this is how it looks like. The lowest just now is at 28.20, so should be around almost 5 points when we enter the market. It's still in the positive side and looks like a pullback at this moment. The price return back to the entry, so the volume is quite healthy. Okay, we are break even now in the minus territory. In case there is a big pullback, then I will find another entry to increase my position size. Hopefully it's a good idea, hopefully. But we have to wait and see whether this will go for a good reversal pattern. Okay, it was looking so nice now. Not far from the TP targeted area, then suddenly this blue candle appear. I changed my candlestick to this bar chart, so you guys can see clearly about the top and low of each candle. Compared to the normal candle, you hardly to see the shadow or the wick. So the lowest just now is 28.20, already breakthrough, and this is my targeted area, which is exactly at this I think the support line, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, resistance line, this red dotted line over here. Okay, not this strong. Let's take a look on the chart video. So this is how it looks like. Hopefully the price will not make a momentum to the higher side. If it do, then I'm in a bad situation. So hopefully it will go down first and then later go further up. That's what we are expected. Looks good for now. 28.20. We are about 5 ticks, if I'm not second. Yes, 5 point. So price move much more higher. So if you are trading a normal standard account, you already profit around 225, 200, and the lowest just now is at 28.20. Sorry, 28.19, which is good enough. 28.19 is a good enough. Actually, around 5 points should be about 250 US dollar in profit for the normal standard account. For micro account should be around 25 US dollar. So if case the price reverse back to this level, then I will break even perhaps, or maybe I will exit my position any moment from now if reaching 30. So I might go flat or send to the Telegram channel. Good enough to take the profit. Let's wait. Okay, send out. So okay, I've sent the information. So let's take a look on our position here. I still can see the red candle, but once through this I think 30, 31 should be good enough for me. Okay, I'm out. Alright, it's good enough. So let's take a look. It's not much, 28.75 for micro account, but for the normal standard mini account should be 287.5. 287 US dollar for a good day trade strategy. So as I mentioned in my Telegram channel, it's time to take profit over here. So I didn't mention yeah, 250, but I'm exiting around 28.75, so it should be around 287. So I sent out the signal a bit earlier. This profit should be good enough for a normal E-Mini standard account. So the price reversed back. Lucky me. It was a lucky escape. But I already mentioned to those guy, price might go further down, but there's a chance, but need to wait another 15 minutes based from this time frame of 15 minutes. But based from this 5 minutes, so have to be careful. Could be another blow up to the higher side. Alright, doesn't look good. Now it goes further up, so I think we are lucky. 28.75. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Price might go further down, and it was a good trade. By the way, there's a link below in the description. If you are interested to get the live signal, feel free to click the link, and you will be directed to the free trial channel for 2 weeks if I'm not mistaken, or 1 week, something like that. Then you might subscribe for the live signal. By the way, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Maybe there will be another signal. I will record it live in separate video. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.